If you're doing everything right, but you're not seeing results, you're not crazy, and you're not alone. Today I'm going to walk you through 5 signs your weight loss plan might not be working, and more importantly, what you can do to fix it. Weight loss isn't just about eating less and moving more. If your plan isn't tailored to your body, your metabolism, and your real lifestyle, it can backfire. Let's dive into what to watch for. Sign number 1, constant hunger. If you're hungry all the time, your body's telling you it's underfed. Severe calorie restriction doesn't lead to better weight loss. It leads to burnout and cravings. What's the fix? Focus on balanced meals with enough protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you full and fueled. Sign number 2, no energy. If you're dragging through the day, your plan is robbing you of energy. Good nutrition should leave you feeling better, not worse. What's the fix? Look at your nutrient intake, not just calories. Your body needs real fuel to function, especially when you're trying to lose weight. Sign number 3, losing muscle, not just fat. Dropping pounds quickly without strength training can mean you're losing muscle mass, which slows down your metabolism even more. What's the fix? Incorporate resistance training, even just 2 or 3 times a week, and make sure your protein intake is solid. Sign number 4, the scale isn't moving, but your body feels different. If your clothes fit better, but the number hasn't changed, that's actually a good thing. Fat loss and muscle gain can balance each other out on the scale. What's the fix? Track progress with photos, measurements, and how you feel, not just the scale. Sign number 5, mental burnout or frustration. If your plan feels like punishment, it's not sustainable. No one can white-knuckle their way to lasting success. What's the fix? Find a program that fits you, your lifestyle, your preferences, and your long-term health goals. If you're seeing any of these signs, it's not just your fault. You just need a better plan. At CMWLS, we create real solutions based on real science and your unique needs. If you're ready for a different approach, check out the link in the description and let's get started. Thanks for watching, and remember, real change starts with the right strategy.